So this is basically a video to show 2 ways to start your vehicle. 1, if your battery dies out in your remote, and 2, if your battery is good but the car still won't start with the push button. So the first step that I did was that I just took my battery out of my remote to simulate a dead battery. And the first thing that you're going to notice is that with my remote, when I come over to my push start, I'm pushing on it and nothing's happening. And you see that my anti-theft is flashing. So if ever you come into this situation, the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to come over and you should have an insert for your key fob, which is this guy, somewhere onto the vehicle. It might be in here or it might be over here. On the Sorrento vehicles, it's under your armrest, so that's where we're going to go with this one. Sorry for the bad lighting, but we're going to install the key into the insert. Now if I come over, everything lights up and I am able to start my vehicle. Now I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to show you guys again. I'm going to take out the key and nothing. So that would be the first scenario. Now I'm going to put my battery back in and I'm going to show you guys the second scenario. All right, in scenario number 2, what ends up happening is that your battery is good into your remote. You come over and you're able to make the dash light up just by pushing on the button. But you have your foot on the brake pedal down here and the vehicle does not want to start. Okay, in this case, I'm not going to push on the brake pedal because I want to show you guys the situation. So you come over, your foot's on the brake pedal, and you push the start button, and it doesn't want to start. This is what you're going to do. You're going to take your key fob, you're going to come over onto your start, you're going to push once, you're going to push twice, and then you're going to hold it onto the push button for roughly about 10 seconds. And as you see, the car started. Now the whole time that I did that, my foot was off the brake pedal. So this is just to simulate what would happen if your brake switch would go bad or anything like that. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. My foot is off the brake. I am holding onto the button with the key fob. Foot is still off the brake. And the car starts. And that would be that. So I hope this video helps somebody, and if you like it, please think about subscribing to my channel, adding a comment, sharing, liking, anything like that. And I will see you guys next time.